Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony Vijay. Today we are going to discuss about logical operators in C++ programming. When I talk about logical operators, it is used to find the relationship between two or more conditions, and these operators must be available between the conditions. And this operator will produce 0 or 1. It means if the condition is false, it will produce 0. If the condition is true, it will produce 1. This logical operator can have three different types. The first one is logical AND operator, the second one is logical OR, and finally logical NOT operator. So first of all, we will be going to see about logical AND operator. So as usual, we have to start with the header file hash include iostream. Then using namespace std in order to avoid name collision. Then main function with return type integer. So then curly braces we have to mention. Within a curly braces, I am going to assign value for two variables int x is equal to 5 comma y equal to 3 end with semicolon. Then I am going to use cout with the extraction operator. Then within a round brackets, I am going to mention two conditions. The first condition is x greater than 4. So next to this, I am going to use logical AND operator. It can be represented by ampersand symbol twice. Okay. Then I am going to represent the second condition, that is y less than 10. See the condition here. The first condition is x greater than 4. It means the value of x is 5. So 5 greater than 4. The first condition is true. Then see the second condition, that is y less than 10. The value of y is 3. So 3 less than 10. The condition is true. So when I talk about logical AND operator, if both the conditions are true, it will produce 1. For all other options, it will produce 0 only. So at the end, we have to put semicolon. Now I am going to end with the return statement, because main function is having a return type integer. So I am giving return 0. Now I build the code and see the output. See, I am getting 1. Okay, because both the conditions are true. In case if I change the second condition as y greater than 10, it means second condition is false. So we will be getting 0 only. Let's see the answer. See, we are getting 0. This is what called as logical AND operator. Next we will be going to see about logical OR operator. So I just want to remove this logical AND operator. In order to represent the logical OR operator, you have to press shift and slash twice. Okay, this is what logical OR operator. When I talk about logical OR operator, if any one of the condition is true, the answer will be 1. If all the conditions are false, it will produce 0. So here the first condition is true, but the second condition is false. It will give you answer as 1. Let's see the answer. See, 1. In case I am going to change the second condition, okay, x less than 4. So here now I change the first condition also. Now both the conditions are failed. Okay, now it will produce 0 only. Let's see the answer. 0. This is what called as logical OR operator. Now we are going to see about logical NOT operator. So usually logical NOT operator will be represented outside of the condition only, because it is used to invert the condition. If the condition is true, it will produce as false. If the condition is false, it will produce true. So in this case, both the conditions are false, the first condition as well as second condition. But in the middle we are having logical OR. So the answer must be 0, that we have already seen. Now I am going to use logical NOT operator outside of the condition. It's supposed to be convert the false into true. Let's see the answer. We are getting 1. Okay, so actually the output is 0 only. With the help of logical NOT, we are getting 1. In case if I change x greater than 4, it means the first condition is true, second condition is false. So logical OR operator will produce 1 only. It means the condition is true. Okay, but outside we are having logical NOT operator. So what happened? It will produce false. It means 0. Let's see the answer. See, usually this logical NOT operator is used to invert the conditions. Okay, so this is what called as logical NOT operator. So guys, if you're having any queries in this topic, just mention in the comment box. I will clarify your doubts, and at the same time, if you want to take any new topic, just mention it. I will handle in the upcoming session. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you very much for watching.